Welcome back, everybody. This is my Matchbox Super King Texaco tanker. Now, the copyright on the bottom is 1973. There's an opening feature, shows you the engine. There's a lever right there that you press back and the hood will pop open. The interior insert is part of the engine piece, so with the green tinted windows, awfully dark for tinted windows, but it hides the fact that it has a chrome interior, which isn't a bad thing. And on the back you see all the exhaust pipes detail. Chrome is worn off because it's been played with. Decal's in not bad shape. The one on the back is beautiful. So it's in very nice shape. I forget where I found this, but it might have been at a secondhand store or maybe an old toy show. So trailer comes off, and of course the wheels pop up there so you can part the trailer. So all the decals are in decent shape on the cab. Actually, very little paint damage, you know, your usual little chips on the corners and stuff. Well, here's the bottom of the truck. So Matchbox Super Kings. So there's the K1618 Ford LTS series tractor, made in England, 1973, copyright. Loves neat products. And here's the information on the bottom of the trailer. Now it does have spring suspension, but it was part of this plastic piece that holds the axles on, and they don't work all that well, but that doesn't matter to me. Everything's complete, in beautiful shape. So one advantage to making these videos is it gives me a chance to clean these vehicles from when I found them. Now they get dusty, I wipe the dust off, but an easy way for me to clean these without submersing the whole vehicle in soapy water and using a toothbrush, which works on some cars. But what I do is just get a bottle of glass cleaners. I wear glasses, so you can get a bottle of glass cleaner at any optometrist, eyeglass store. And then I just use Q-tips. Just spray some on the tip and then just wipe all the areas. Get a microfiber cloth to dry it off. And so now I have a beautiful example. Now the tanker itself, the white portion is turned yellow, but it still presents very nice. I cleaned the hoses and they came up looking pretty white, so that's really nice. So I hope you like this video. I love this truck. I love big rigs. So let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.